Today I'm going to show you how to create your own account in the Lone Tree Community Library online catalog system. Once you come to the landing page, you'll need to click on the Lone Tree Library link, and at the top right you'll need to click Create Account. You'll be entering your last name and barcode, which is your patron number, and you will hit Next. Here, you will need to come up with a username and password. And enter an email address that you will be getting notifications of books that you might have placed on hold. So you notice you're into your account. When you're into the account, you can then go ahead and search for a title. This one is going to look for Diver Wimpy Kid Wrecking Ball. And as you can see, the library has 2 copies of this available. In order to have a book pulled for you, you need to go into the 202 available and then go on to title details, and you'll have click the hold it, and you'll notice that it's got this as soon as possible, hold 1, save that, and they will let you know when it's available. Because this is in the library, it's saying please pick up before 11/2. And you go under My Info, and you'll see that that is on hold for you. And that's how you create your own account in the Lone Tree Community School Library online catalog system.